Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel. In this video I'll show you how to enter guest mode. In the beginning, let's go to settings of your smartphone, enter system, and now go to users. Add guest, switch to guest, and it's done. If you want to exit guest mode, simply scroll down the notification bar and select exit guest mode. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.